This video is going to show you how to set up a digital membership for your society. This means that anyone can buy membership for your society at any time, even using their phones, so they're more able and therefore more likely to join. It's also really convenient for you as committee members when running events or elections, as our system automatically keeps an up-to-date register of members. Now, to start with, we're on our society's dashboard, which we've already shown you how to access in a different video. So if you scroll down, under Configure Group, you can see an option to update membership types. Click on this, and this takes you through to a page that shows you all of the previous memberships that have been set up for the society, along with the option to add a new one. So if we click on this, it takes us through to this form, which essentially captures a whole lot of information about the membership that we want to set up. So if we'll start at the start and work our way through. Now, category is essentially the name of the membership, and this needs to be filled out in a very specific format. The first thing you put is the name of your society itself. So for us, it's Digital Societies. The second thing you put is the amount of years that the membership is going to be valid for. So we'll put. The final thing you put is the years in numbers that it's going to be valid for, just so that people are very clear on exactly when this is going to work for. So for us, it's going to be 2017 to 2018. And you'll see why we've done that in a minute. The nominal code essentially tells finance that the money paid for this membership should go into your society's Part B bank account. If you don't know what this is, ask your treasurer, as they should have gone through the treasurer training, but this essentially allows you to pool all the money for your society in one place. The membership length should be left as 1, and the price is just whatever you think people will pay for a membership type for your society of this length in particular. So I think for us it's probably about £3 because it's only a 1-year membership. Now, availability should be left as both, always, and the VAT exempt option should always have a tick in it. Stop new sales is something to keep in mind later down the line, as you might want to take this membership option offline and create a new one to put in its place. For example, if your society does a half-year membership, or at the end of the year when you've got a new membership option for the new year. But for now, we're going to leave that blank. Now, the description should just be whatever you think someone buying this membership needs to know. So what are they getting for their money? I think they might, for us, be getting some discounts maybe. And maybe some access to exclusive events. If you don't want to put anything in the description, make sure that you put a space or a full stop, as otherwise, as you can see from the red star, the form won't let you go to the next stage. Eligibility should always be left as anyone, and the group membership expiry date should be the 25th of the 5th of whatever month this membership option expires in. So for us, we're going to go to 2018, May, and the 25th. But this could be 2019, 2020, whatever. The mandatory related membership type should always be left as blank. You don't need to worry about this at all. Now just scroll up and check that you've done everything with the red star, because those are mandatory fields. I think we have. Brilliant. So we've successfully created the membership. That doesn't mean that it's available for sale yet. This is quite a common mistake. So at the top, if we go back to membership types and click on this, it takes us back to that first screen where we saw all the previous memberships, and you can see the difference between the one we just created and the ones that have been previously created. So to make sure that this goes live so that our members can buy it, we need to click Approve, Reject, and click Approve. Now this essentially means that people can buy it rather than it just being internal. So we can see how this looks from a customer's perspective by clicking on Go to Website and finding our society's page. So find our page, and then we can join this group using the one that we just created. Now, you might find that there's more than one, and this is actually a really good thing to check at the start of the year, that there aren't any previous memberships that are still live. So this is from 2014 to 15. So this needs to be stopped on the Stop New Sales option that we talked about earlier. But we want to buy the current membership, and our members can clearly see which one they need to buy from the way that we described our membership earlier. So we can check out. Pay using our card. And now we're a member of the society, although we won't actually buy this because it's a test account.